Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. See, as soon as I see some changes in my plants, I feel like taking a video and sharing with you guys. Now look at this plant. This I had bought during the lockdown phase and it is almost 3 years old. And it has grown quite big, and from here I have given a few cuttings to my cousins as well. I just love this plant. See how beautiful the leaves are, and you don't have to be worried about the plant. It is so easy to grow, and when it is placed indoors it adds an extra charm to the room. This is again my variegated pothos, one of my favorites. Look at it, how beautiful it is. And this is the main pot or the plant from where I have already taken some cuttings. I have shared it with my cousins. See how the roots are appearing for this particular plant which I had shown you earlier, but still it is doing wonderful. It is still in the same packet I had bought it for. I think I had bought this one for 150 rupees. And see how beautiful it is. Now this is a very simple looking plant. Just the leaves are there. I have never seen this plant bloom. It is there with me for the last 2 years, but look at the leaves. When the leaves are tender, it is just pink, a beautiful baby pink. And see, I think this is the reason why it doesn't bloom. Look at the leaves. Now this is my LiQWYD, the panda's paw. I love this plant. Look at the dots in the margins. And this plant feels soft and woolly when we touch. And there is another LiQWYD. This is the variegator. Look at the margins. It seems as though someone has drawn the pink lines. How beautiful it looks. The more sunshine, the more pink, the more intense the color gets. Beautiful plant. Now that is my sedum major, which has survived the rot that had taken place during the monsoons. I think this particular echeveria is the showstopper for this particular video. The reason being its babies. Look at the numerous babies. Although they are no longer babies, they have, I think, grown into teenagers. Look at it, how pretty they look, how pretty. And I have not counted yet. I have not removed it. This is how it is. But one thing I have noticed about this echeveria or this succulent, I think it is echeveria. Anyway, I'll call it echeveria only, and that's the genus. I don't know the species. Now, I have not seen it propagate from the leaf. Maybe because the leaves are very thin. Now, that is another vibrant green plant. Beautiful one. And look at my beautiful caladium. Wow, just wow. You are such a beauty, my dear. Very easy to grow. Equally beautiful. I wish I had some different varieties of caladium. I am in a lookout for it, but till now I have not been successful. Beautiful shade. See the right of colors. This is my aglaonema. Look at the pink leaves, and it is looking more bright in the morning sun. A beautiful plant. And that is also the aglaonema. This is also called the Chinese evergreen. This is the more common variety, but I love both of them equally. Beautiful plant. Now that's my syngonium, the pink syngonium. The leaves, when they are young, they are pink in color. Look at the pink leaves, the beautiful leaves. And as the leaves mature, they turn green gradually. Look at the pink. It looks like salmon pink. Beautiful shade of pink. Now that's the other syngonium. This is the green variety, but this also has a special feature, and that is the veins are reddish or pinkish in color. I have the common variety as well, but in this particular syngonium, the veins are reddish, or you can say pinkish in color. This is also equally beautiful. Look at the vibrant green colors. I love the different shades of green. Beautiful. That is why I like collecting plants, those plants too which do not bear flowers or which do not have pretty flowers. I just love the leaves as well. Aglaonema, the flowers are not that very attractive, but I just love the plant because of its leaves. Look at the caladium. Oh yes, I have not seen this caladium bloom yet. This is the third season I am seeing it, but I have never seen it bloom. Another vibrant green. I do not know the name till now. I have not been able to find the name for this particular plant. And there, my beauties, look at them. But I feel scared to remove them from the mother stem. And look at this proud mom. What a beautiful plant, and what a beautiful shade of green. I think this is sea green. See, look at them, all cuddled up together. Now this plant is also one of my favorite. Look at it. This part has survived. Thank God I could save it. This is again a beautiful plant, the LiQWYD, and I have planned to try and propagate this plant. It should not be that very tough because LiQWYDs are quite easy growing plants. I need to try. I'll take a cutting as September is coming to an end. Maybe in the middle of October I'll try that out. This is the LiQWYD, the panda spot. This also I want to take a few. I actually want to remove the few pups that are growing on the stem so that I can propagate. So my dear friends, this brings me to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. If so, do give a thumbs up, do share it with your friends and family members. And if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye bye.